The reason for sneezing, written by Advent. Your judge of mind, math leverage, focus question. What happens to our body when we sneeze? The reason for sneezing is really quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dust. Your body rejects it. It should and it must. The way that you sneeze, it is always the same. The information is sent to your lungs from your brain. Many music muscles contract to push the sneeze through. That's your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscles too. Your eyes shut, your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This forces your nose to blow that breath out. And blow out it will. It explodes with great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour, 161 kilometers. Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know this will cause you to sneeze a lot too. Think of a sneeze as a natural alarm. A sneeze is a defense that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind a command. Cover your nose with your arm or your hand. Connections. Writing. What is something that makes you sneeze? Write a poem about it with at least 4 lines. Science. Draw a picture of yourself. Label the following body parts: brain, lungs, chest, brow, thorax, brains, and belly. Share with a partner and what each of these body parts does when you sneeze. Goodbye.